Welcome to Neli. Neli is a virtual repair service that assists your maintenance personnel remotely with diagnosing appliance and HVAC issues, shipping replacement parts, and general repair guidance. With Neli, your maintenance personnel no longer have to waste time on guesswork, and you no longer have to rely on the limited schedule of an expensive outside service provider. For $35 per appointment, certified Neli technicians work with your maintenance personnel by video chat to pinpoint the cause of failure and provide a solution. Our technicians are also available evenings and weekends at no additional cost.
Hey Gus, good to see you again. What do you have for me today?
Well, I have a unit with a faulty dishwasher.
A dishwasher, huh? Let's take a look. Maybe we can get it fixed in one go like that microwave last week. Gus, I have that part ordered and it's on its way. It's always great working with you.
Thanks again, Steve. Neli really makes this process so much easier.
Neli partners with the largest authorized OEM parts supplier in the world to deliver you exactly what you need. With each diagnosis, we provide the replacement part number and we will send the replacement part to any requested location.
Hey, Blair. Yeah, I have the part we need to fix your dishwasher. When would be a good time to install it?
How about this afternoon? I can't wait to get my dishwasher back.
Neli's remote service adapts to your service demand. No matter the size of your management company, Neli's virtual service will save you time and money and fit within your current workflow.
You're all set? Good as new.
Gus, you guys make things so easy. I really love living here.
Keep your tenants happy. Impress them with your quick response time and reliable repairs. Happy tenants leave positive reviews. The Neli virtual service is fast and efficient, saving money while keeping happy tenants and reducing tenant complaints. Save $100,000 in repair costs annually. No subscriptions or sign-up fees. Simply book an appointment and start using Neli today.